Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn about functions in Python. So basically, what are functions and what is the syntax to create a function? So function is basically block of code that performs a specific task and it is reusable and contains a unit of codes. So basically a function is block of codes in which we specify a task, and when we call that function by writing its name followed by the parenthesis, then it performs that task. And we can perform that task anywhere in our program. Means we can call that function or we can perform that function anywhere in our program. So we'll see the syntax to how to declare a function. So to declare a function, first we use the def keyword followed by the function name, and then with the parenthesis, and then we give the colon, and then we write the statements. We give colon here because inside this many statements are present. So and then we call our function with the function name by writing the function name. Now this is the basic syntax of creating a function or defining a function. Now we'll create a function. So we'll create function for greet. We'll give our name greet. We'll give our function name greet followed with the parenthesis, then with colon, and we'll print hello. Then we'll print one more, that good morning. Now, if we call our program, we'll see that our program has been executed, but nothing gets printed because we didn't call our function. So for executing the program, we have to call our function. So as you can see, I have written I have called my function with the writing my function name and followed by the parenthesis. And when I'll run the program, you'll see hello and good morning has been executed. Now, now I'll tell you that what is this, uh, why I have given this name greet only here. Because the function name should be meaningful and descriptive. Means uh, it should be readable. You can't give anything or ABC or XYZ as your function. You can give, it will run, but you should give a meaningful name so that it can be understandable, and it should be descriptive. Means if I have, for example, I have given here my function name greet. So if a non-programmer or a programmer uh, will see my codes, then after seeing this function name or after seeing this function calling, he will understand that inside the function there is something related to uh, greeting, greetings. So we should give a descriptive name so that another programmer or person should understand that what the function exactly do. Now we can call function anywhere or in our program. As you can see, I have called the function greet uh, first in line 5, and I'll call it in line 8. And when I'll execute the program, you'll see two times our function has been called. Now this was for our function calling and how to define our function. Now we'll see what are parameters, arguments, and how we can return values. So we'll create a function for addition, and we'll do what? We'll give two variables. Variables means we'll pass two parameters. And you can see I have given num1 one parameter and num2 the second parameter. and then we'll give colon. Now we'll do what? We'll create a variable and then we'll sum the two parameters num1 and num2, and then we'll print the sum. And now we want to run the program. So for that we'll call our function, that is add, and then here we have given two parameters. So we have to give two values there with commas in between the two numbers. So why I have given here two values only? I can give one value or three value also, one number or three number also, because I have given here two parameters. The number of parameters I have given in function defining, that would be same when we call the function. Means that much arguments should be given in function calling. So if we'll execute the code, we'll see that sum of 3 and 5 has been printed here, that is 8. Now when we are defining our function and then we are giving the values or the variables inside this parenthesis, it means we are giving parameters. Now this is called parameter. This num and 2 are parameters of the add function. And when we are giving this 3 and 5 on function calling, so this is called arguments. So when we are calling, when we are defining a function, then it is called parameters. And uh, when we are calling our function, then it is called arguments. Now there is return value, as a function can optionally return a value or result for performing a task. Here we have using here you have we have uses print function for printing the sum. We can use return also. So it is optional to use return. So as you can see, I have I'm returning sum and then I'm calling our function and it's doing the same work. Now what can we do? We'll, we'll do addition and subtraction both. So for that we can do, we'll create another variable and we'll give num1 minus num2, and by using the return statement we can return multiple variables. Now you can see that first it is doing addition, 6 plus 5, that is 11, and then it's subtracting 6 from 1 and it's the answer is 1. So you can see that we can return two variables or two objects using the uh, using the return value or the return statement. So this was it for the basics of function. Now we'll see in the day 2. So thanks for watching the video.